Dear friends, I'm Dr. Ryan here. Professionally, I'm a counselor. Last time I presented my views on overthinking. Today, I have selected a topic on need and importance of relationship. Dear friends, we all know that relationship is a beautiful thing which exists in this world. So there are number of definitions on relationship. I have selected two definitions which I would like to read in front of you. A good relationship is when someone accepts your past, supports your present and encourage your future. At the same time, you can't give up someone because the situation is not ideal. Great relationships are not great because they have no problems. They are great because both people care enough about the other person to find a way to make it work. Dear friends, what I would like to share here is that we all want to be in relationship. It can be with friends, family members, neighbors or anybody. So sometimes what happens when we are in relationship, we feel that we are counted, we are touched, we can share our problems, we can discuss any issues so that we can come out from our problem. But today what I really want to present my views on why relationship is important and how you and me should attend this relationship, because we are all busy in one or the other way. We don't have time to talk, we don't have time to share, we don't have time to interact because we say ourselves that we are busy and busy. But friends, I will be presenting some views on or some facts on or some important issues on why you need to attend relationship in order to have healthy life. Dear friends, to strengthen the relationship, first and foremost important thing is that you should give proper time. You should take your time. You should really spend time with whom you love, whom you care, whom you would love to interact. So that what happens in return, when you really give your time, that will also help you to come out from the situation. At the same time, friends, one mistakes we all do. I'll share you with an example. We know one famous concept which is called as friends with benefits. And nowadays, what's happening is that relationship with benefits. We use relationships. We don't care for relationship till the person is needed. You use them, then you leave them, and this is going on in a very high note nowadays. So, dear friends, in order to strengthen this relationship, you need to know that you need to give proper time whom you love. At the same time, we all know I said that we are busy. You should be present. Your relationship should be present, because when somebody talks to you, when somebody shares with you, when somebody communicates you their problems, don't just chat, don't just talk over the phone, don't just check your mails. See that you are attending the person, you are listening to the person, because listening itself will solve many problems. The moment you listen, people feel that okay, there are somebody whom we can care, whom we can talk, whom we can share. At the same time, friends, I also want to tell you one more thing. If you really want your relationship to be strong, the two important things you should know: one is apologizing, one is forgiveness. These I call as the foundation stone for important relationship. At the same time, friends, so this is a smallest view I have presented with you, but one thing which we all need to take care and which is very important, that is communicating. Whatever problems you have, whatever internal problems you have, if you want to share with anybody, you need to communicate with people, so that what happens is that the moment you share your problems, automatically half of your issues comes down, and that will help you to find out new solutions. Thank you.